So we're filling up tanks in our trailer with water from the river because we know we haven't got a lot of water coming into our tanks, and this is water we're using for the building work. And I am helping, but but right now I'm filming. Right, I'll get back involved. ¿Cómo estás, Henry?
Yeah.
So we're here with Christian and Abraham. ¿Cómo está?
Hola.
So I just thought we'd do a little interview so you guys get to know the people that we're working with a lot. Every week we're working with these guys in different capacities. So first of all, maybe we better get somewhere a bit more quiet. What do you think? That's a bit better. We're probably still going to have some noisy buses coming past. But yeah, so this is Abraham.
Hola.
This is Christian.
Hola.
So you probably would have seen them on other videos, and Christian's definitely said hello before. But yeah, Christian, tell us a little bit about yourself, who you are, what you do.
Well, hi, my name is Christian Seas Arce. I'm from Bolivia. I'm working here in Santa Cruz as a pastor of a small church in the community which name is Espejo. I have been working there more than 8 years. I also passion to help people in the street, evangelize people there on the street, preach the gospel, and help the poor people.
Abraham, he doesn't speak English, so we will. Christian's going to translate for us here. So, how are you? How are you, Abraham?
¿Cómo estás, Abraham? Bien.
What's your normal job in the week?
¿Cuál es tu trabajo común en la semana?
Bueno, mi trabajo es sobre el sistema de seguridad, de cámaras, alarmas, igual todo lo que es electricidad domiciliaria.
He works normally in security about houses, buildings, and that's the normal job that he has during the week. Installing cameras and alarms.
And what have we been doing today?
¿Qué estuvimos haciendo hoy, Abraham?
Bueno, ahora fuimos a visitar bueno, por este lado de lo que es el Parque Arenal. Estuvimos visitando a las personas que viven en la calle, ¿no?
We were visiting people on the street. Especially today we were visiting the people who lives around the Arenal Park. That's why we love to do helping people that lives on the street.
Amelia and Eunice are harvesting wapuru. It's a delicious fruit.
Wapuru.
Yeah.
And on the tree.
You are.
I'm even gonna climb up.
It's quite delicious.
Scrambling through rocks.
You have a lot.
So today we're in San Pedro in Santa Cruz. This is the area where there's a lot of mechanics, and we are fixing our winch, which gets us out of trouble. It's important that we have this because if we get stuck in a river, which has happened a few times, or in mud, it helps us to get out.
So we have Eunice here. She's in her sewing time. What are you sewing there, Eunice?
I'm sewing a little bag.
Great job. So this little machine was a gift that someone gave us in England. Well done, Eunice. You are doing a great job. Now it's Amelia's turn. So tell us, Amelia, what are you going to sew now?
I'm sewing my shorts that. I'm sewing my shirt that is damaged.
Oh, that's good. Okay, you're going to fix it, isn't it? Yeah, you will use the sewing machine, so that's good.
Now my shirt is ready.
Great job.
What have we got here, girls?
That's
Sheep. You're a shepherd? A shepherd like who? You're like David? Are you going to defeat Goliath? No. And they've actually got collars which says dog. They're not shepherd dogs, and they're not dog shepherds or sheep. There we go. I don't know what I'm saying, but there we go. We got sheep. We sold lots of chickens today at the animal market. We sold about 35, I believe. We actually lost count. And with the money, we were able to buy extra food to keep feeding our chickens and sheep. So it was a really good day, wasn't it, girls?
Yeah.
Yeah, so now we've got sheep, and the best thing about these sheep, I'm watching it now, is they will clean the property. They're eating the leaves off the floor, they're eating the weeds, and they're going to help us to keep the property clean. They'll be free, of course, to an extent, but we have to keep them on a lead so they don't wander off up into the mountains until we've got some kind of fencing system set up. But yeah, we'll move them every day. They'll have lots of nice food to eat. At night time we'll put them in the chicken enclosure so that they're safe. And yeah, we'll have less costs in the future when we have a few more sheep. We hope to have a few more. Be able to keep the property clean without using any machines. And obviously produce sheep. Why not? Meh. Meh. So we're here with Julio and his mum. This is sugarcane. ¿Cómo está, Julio? Sí. This is how we process sugarcane, and they cook it. It evaporates, and then they turn it into something that resembles brown sugar, clumpy brown sugar, or probably like in India and Sri Lanka. I can't remember what they call it over there, but yeah, this is how they're doing it. This is Julio. Julio is one of our workers. We're here with his family. It's very hot. Wow, some extra special building work going on here. What are you building, girls?
A house. These are the beds.
Oh, wow.
This is the bedroom, and another side close to this. I make the kitchen and the toilet.
Wow, you got reinforced steel bars in there as well, haven't you?
These are the things. Those things that are up there.
Oh, wow.
The metal.
The metal that the builders use.
Yeah.
Estamos nosotros muy contentos y
And we're here with a
agradecidos
local
por
church that has come
que la
to
hermana nos invitó,
be with us in the
Isaac y la
centre.
hermana Analí nos invitó a su casa. Todos están contentos. Bien contentos nosotros y nos gusta venir así, salir, ¿no? Salir y damos gracias a ustedes, ¿no? Por recibirnos, ¿no? En su casa.
Hoy vengo a ti, a saber que me amas tú, qué hermoso es, precioso es, maravilloso es, a saber que me amas tú.
Now the brothers are going back home after the service, but all of them have to cross the river. You see? All of them kids, with mothers with babies. No, the road, look at that.
Does she want me to carry her on my back?
Si quiere, hermana, ella la puede llevar en su espalda, dice. Hermana Fidelia, venga.
Para el Facebook, para Instagram, para TikTok, para YouTube, para Google.
Ya, papito, chao. Que les vaya bien, bendiciones. Gracias, corazón. Hasta luego, les vaya bien, hermano. Bendiciones, hasta luego.
That was very funny. Estoy grabando para
That's,
Facebook.
yeah.
It's raining. Can you hear it? Well, if you ever wondered how hard it rains in Bolivia, that is actually really hurting my ears. That's a really loud noise of rain. I'm shouting, you can hear it from the video. I'm going to talk normally, okay?